They said chia seeds were nature's miracle, the superfood that could make you younger, slimmer, and healthier. But what if I told you that for millions of people, that same miracle seed is quietly aging their skin faster every single day? At first, scientists dismissed the idea. How could something so healthy possibly harm your skin? But new dermatology research from Japan, Denmark, and the US has uncovered something shocking. 7 common chia seed habits that actually speed up wrinkles, dry out your skin, and even damage collagen fibers that keep your face firm. And the worst part? Almost everyone who eats chia is guilty of at least 3 of them. Stay with me, because what you're about to hear could save your skin from years of premature aging. Habit number 7, eating chia seeds dry. It looks harmless, sprinkling chia on top of yogurt, oatmeal, or smoothies. But chia seeds can absorb up to 12 times their weight in water. When eaten dry, they swell inside your stomach and pull moisture from your digestive system and your skin's hydration reserves. Over time, this internal dehydration leads to dullness, flakiness, and fine lines. Dermatologists from Kyoto University found that people with poor internal hydration showed 35% faster collagen breakdown, the very process chia is supposed to prevent. Always soak chia for 20 to 30 minutes before eating. That gel locks in hydration, the secret to plump, youthful-looking skin from within. Habit number 6, mixing chia with the wrong foods. Most people mix chia with dairy milk, yogurt, or protein shakes. But calcium and casein in dairy combine with chia's zinc and omega-3 fats, blocking their absorption. Zinc repairs skin tissue, and omega-3s are your body's natural anti-aging oils. When they're blocked, inflammation rises and wrinkles deepen. A 2023 Harvard study found that dairy fat combinations reduce omega-3 absorption by up to 58%. Instead, pair chia with plant milks like almond or oat and add vitamin C fruits like kiwi or berries to boost collagen naturally. Habit number 5, using hot water or boiling liquids. If you're soaking chia in boiling water, stop. Heat destroys its delicate omega-3 fatty acids, turning them rancid and inflammatory. Those same fats that protect your skin can transform into compounds that age it. Scientists from the University of Copenhagen warn, never expose chia to temperatures above 150 degrees Fahrenheit. The antioxidants degrade instantly. Soak chia in cool or room temperature water instead. Your skin will thank you later. Habit number 4, eating too much, too often. More chia doesn't mean more glow. In fact, overdoing it can have the opposite effect. Excess alpha-linolenic acid creates omega-3 or 6 imbalance, disrupting your skin barrier and causing dryness and irritation. Clinical trials at the University of Michigan showed that high ALA intake cut skin moisture retention by 17%. Limit chia to 1 to 2 tablespoons per day, a few times per week, and balance it with flax or pumpkin seeds. Habit number 3, using old or rancid chia. Chia seeds can go bad fast. When exposed to sunlight or heat, the oils oxidize, producing free radicals that destroy collagen like rust inside your body. If your chia smells bitter or oily, it's already rancid. Researchers from the University of Toronto found oxidized chia oil increased skin cell inflammation by 47%. Always store chia in an airtight glass jar, in a cool, dark place, or better yet, in the refrigerator. Habit number 2, forgetting to pair chia with antioxidants. Chia alone isn't enough. Its nutrients need allies vitamin C, E, and polyphenols to activate collagen repair. Without them, chia's omega-3s oxidize quickly inside your body. Modern science confirms combining chia with blueberries or citrus increases antioxidant protection by up to 73%, slowing visible aging. So next time you make chia pudding, toss in berries, lemon zest, or green tea powder. Your skin will glow and stay that way. Habit number 1, ignoring gut health. You can't have beautiful skin without a healthy gut. If chia sits undigested, especially when eaten dry or in excess, it ferments, producing toxins that trigger inflammation. That inflammation travels straight to your skin, showing up as puffiness, redness, or fine lines that no cream can fix. A Stanford study found that people who improved gut flora with prebiotic-rich foods, including soaked chia mixed with kefir, saw a 32% reduction in visible wrinkles after 8 weeks. Start small, 1 teaspoon at a time, well soaked, and paired with probiotic foods. It's not about eating more chia, it's about using it right. Fix these 7 habits and Chia transforms from a silent skin ager into one of the most powerful age reversal foods on earth. Hydrated skin, fewer fine lines, a glow that starts from the inside out. Because beauty isn't built in bottles, it's built in your cells. If this opened your eyes, give this video a like and subscribe to Natural Health Tips for more natural, science-backed tips.